Hi, how's it going? I'm Kyle. I'm a therapy student here at Summa Rehab. This is Steve, an awesome patient here. We were just working on using the slide board right here to transfer over onto the table. We're telling at home that his bed is about this high for safety for him right now. Using the slide board because we kind of deemed that using the walker to transfer over because he is non-weight bearing in his right leg here right now. So we decided to use the slide board, and I'll just have Steve start to show you. So what's the first thing? Gotta get the armrest off. Yep. I can help you out with that because this one gets a little stuck. Ready? Here, let me help you.
Yes, sir.
There you go. So we're making sure the wheelchair is always locked when we do these on both sides. Good. Next step, taking this off. That leg up. Perfect. Okay. Then I'm actually going to have you, since you've been doing well with it, have you place the slide board underneath it. Yep. One sec, and watch out for the. One sec. There you go. Okay. Come over. There you go. Good. Coming all the way over. Making sure you don't put any weight through the non-weight bearing leg. There you go. And that's about it. So really all I have to do is kind of stand by and watch and make sure nothing kind of goes wrong, but he's really good at it now. So.
Yeah, that's a workout in itself, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And his wife is here to observe all of this so that she can help him at home if need be.
Yeah.
So I appreciate you guys showing me how to do that because I have not seen that done before either. So.
Oh, perfect. Well,
right.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you with your recovery.
Thank you, dearie.